My name's Bren. This is a guided relaxation body scan. You can use this in bed to help you fall asleep or as a guided meditation during savasana at the end of your yoga practice, or any other time that you'd like to pause and release some tension from your body. Find any comfortable position. Take the time you need to settle into a place where you can rest relatively still. Go ahead and make any adjustments you need to find that most comfortable position. As you arrive there, soften into the points of contact between your body and the surfaces beneath you. Notice those grounding points of contact and sink in a little more. You might feel your breath gently moving in and out of the body on its own. Noticing this breath and this one. Start to bring all your attention into the feet. All your awareness in the feet. See if you can notice each of your toes, one at a time. All the toes can relax. Soles and arches of your feet can spread and soften. Tops of your feet release some tension. Awareness moving up through your ankles and into the lower legs. Calf muscles can soften and relax. Backs of the lower legs relax. And little muscles on either side of your shin bone can release some tension. Lower legs relax now. Awareness moving up through the knees. Soften muscles around your knees as your attention arrives in the upper legs. Muscles all around the upper legs can start to soften and relax now. Muscles in the thighs can relax. Outer hip muscles relax. Seat muscles can release some tension. Seat muscles relax. Allowing both legs to feel long and heavy and relaxed. Inviting your attention into the hands. All your awareness moves into the hands. See if you can notice each finger and thumb one at a time. All the fingers can relax now. Palms and backs of your hands relax. Awareness moving through the wrists and into the forearms. Muscles in the forearms can release some tension and relax now. Awareness through the elbows and into the upper arms. Upper arms can soften and rest. Invite the shoulders to melt down towards the earth. Shoulders relax. Let the space around your collarbones soften. Each arm can rest long and heavy and relaxed. Space around the shoulder blades on the back body can soften. And the space between the shoulder blades can soften. Upper back relaxing now. The mid-back and the space around your rib cage can soften. Mid-back can relax. The low back, waist, and belly can be soft. Low back can relax. Bringing attention to the face, facial muscles start to soften. Forehead can become smooth and soft. Muscles around your eyes soften. Invite the jaw to relax. You might notice a bit of natural space appears between top and bottom teeth as you relax your jaw. Sides and back of the neck can release tension. Muscles in the neck relax. Even muscles on the scalp can soften. Head and neck are relaxed. Where in your body do you feel the breath happening? You might notice some gentle rise and fall in the abdomen or chest. Or you might feel air moving on your upper lip as you exhale through the nose. Noticing where in the body you feel sensation of breath. Gently directing your attention back to the breath anytime you become distracted. Remembering the breath. Notice this one. And this one. If you're using this practice to fall asleep and you're still awake, you might take yourself through that body scan once more. If you're ready to move on with your day, do take your time to invite some small, gentle movements and gradually wake up the body. Thank you.